What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So of course, as you saw, I have my Boxycharm for March and I'm gonna unbox it with you. It's pretty simple. So I'm gonna show you everything I got in this March Boxycharm. The cost is now $27.99. I am very fortunate that I am sent one box every month, so I'm very happy to have it. As always, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I think about it. Even if something is gifted, I'm gonna tell you my honest thoughts on it. You guys know I keep it real with the products. I'll let you know what I'm excited for and what I'm not so excited for. I will give you just a quick update. I am a little bit absent here. I'm sorry I'm not posting more. I keep promising that I have all these new things that I'm going to be posting, and we keep having setbacks with my beloved kitty, Mr. Minners. So y'all send some love and good vibes his way. He is just having a rough time, and so I've been devoting a lot of my time to his care and spending time with my baby boy. They are absolutely my babies, so it's very important to me to take care of him and spend time with him. So at any rate, I won't keep it sad, just a little update on that. So I'm sorry I'm not posting as much as I would like, but this is where we are. So let's go ahead and unbox our Boxycharm. We have the card. It's called Game Changer. That's a theme, and it says celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. So we have our card. Let's go ahead. Let's just dive in. I'm going to pick up something. So this is from Ofra. This is the Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Palette. So I'm assuming blushes. I actually think that I picked this for my paid Boxycharm subscription. I do have the yearly subscription, so as always, I'll do either some sort of comparison or try on or something of my second box. I'm a little behind once again this month, so just doing a quick unboxing for the purpose of getting the video out there for you guys. We have 6 blushes. I feel like, honestly, for me, these are perfect sizes. I don't need bigger blushes than this because I never really go through one particular blush or eyeshadow or anything like that. I love to change up my colors, so for my purposes, this is actually really great. I like that it has a mixture of like pinky, peachy, orangey, but it looks pretty vibrant. I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, I like that. Don't be afraid, if you're not a big blush person, of something that is more bright and almost like fluorescent or pastel looking, because like today I have on something pastel and it's just like this beautiful little flush of color, and it looks so much more wearable on than you would think. But yeah, you've got like some terracotta, some deeper rosy pinks, you got something even a little bit more brown. So I feel like this is a pretty good assortment of blushes. A lot of their Ofra palettes like this, you can just pop these pans right out. So if you're not really fond of the packaging, or maybe you just want to condense, then you can totally do that easily with this. The packaging that it's in is quite flimsy, so if you want to keep it in here, it's not the best packaging. Like, it's definitely a little bit bendable, if that makes sense. So let's see what the cost of this is. I'm sure it's pretty reasonable. $39. I mean, you get 6 small blushes, but these blushes will still last me a very long time, and I think you get a nice mix of colors. Like I said, I prefer to keep these together personally, so I kind of wish the packaging was a little bit better, but I get it. I feel like it is a little bit more eco-friendly than heavier, thicker packaging, so I totally get it and no complaints. But I don't know, I kind of would like it to be a bit nicer just because I tend to keep them and I don't tend to depot palettes like this. It says that these are the Liquid to Baked Tech 6-Pan Blush Palette for long wearing ultra pigmented shades, and then it is meant to be remixed or refilled. Okay, so that is in their mind meant to be refillable. In that case, if you know you're planning to add to this and keep it for a long time, I would like to see a sturdier packaging. So 39 bucks for that. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I think the blushes are pretty. I will definitely use them. I also have this. This is by Style Dry. This is the Coconut and Fig Hair Mask with coconut oil and maru butter. So that's what she looks like. I am not familiar with this brand. Let's read a little bit about it. This is only $16.95. That's pretty affordable, and it's a super hair mask enriched with coconut oil, maru butter, as we've already said, and it's for healthy, hydrated, glossy hair. It's the must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you the ultimate treatment at home. It will be moisturized, silky, and shiny. Okay, I mean, I can't really say that this is anything incredible incredibly exciting for me, but I'm definitely open to trying that. I think in the past when I said I'm not that excited, people are like, oh, you don't like it? And that's not the case. It's just I get a little bit more excited when I get something that I know or I really think I'm going to love. But the excitement with a product like this that I don't already have is that down the road it may become something that I really, really love. So when I start using it and enjoying it, it may be way more exciting a product. But from first glance, I can't say that I'm like in love, you know? I will try it. I'm intrigued. So we'll definitely see how this works. And my hair could definitely use the moisture. So it is a good product for me to get. Next up, we got, this is another month where I'm getting a lot of repeats. So I've already gotten this a couple times. This is the Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar. And this is the Radiance Balm. I actually have it and I kept a backup of it because I really loved it. This one I will give away because I'm not going to keep two backups of products. But it's a beautiful, glowy balm for your skin. I feel like you can use this for so many ways, but it was beautiful under makeup. I feel like it gave a lot of hydration and a little bit of glow. So, you know, I like the product a lot. It's just not, again, not as exciting because this is the third one that I have received. That is kind of in part to the fact that I am getting sent boxes and then I still have ongoing subscriptions. That balm again goes for $38. It's got vitamin C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and bioactives. It's a beautiful product. I really do enjoy it. Next up, we got the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. I want to say I have this. They did send me a few products a while back and I've really enjoyed their masks. So this is the detoxifying one. Yeah, this is a peel away mask, which in the past I would have really shied away from, but their masks are not like the painful, you know, take a layer of skin off type of mask. It's not like that at all. I really enjoy them. I feel like they worked well and my skin felt really nice afterwards. So this is the detoxifying mask. I do have it. I'm looking up on my skincare shelf and I do have this mask. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I'll probably share it because of the sheer amount of skincare that I have. I kind of like that I always have these backups and that I can share with like family, friends, and then for future giveaways. I haven't done a giveaway in a hot minute. I think when I hit 15,000 on TikTok, I'll do a big giveaway because I just haven't done one in a while. It would be exciting to do. So the Aceology mask goes for $69. I didn't realize these were so expensive. Like, I really do like them, but that's a little expensive. So it says it's supercharged health retreat for congested skin. It draws out blackheads and impurities, clears clogged pores, and it has skin-loving charcoal. And the antioxidant-laden botanicals balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. I do feel like their masks leave my skin feeling very nice, which for a lot of peel-off masks is not the case. Like in the past, peel-off masks to me left my skin feeling worse than when I started, so it wasn't something that I enjoyed, but with these I do really enjoy them. The last thing we have is the Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. So from Appeal Cosmetics, and this goes for $21. It has a satin finish, covers with one application, it's rich in color, and is a decadent addition to everyone's makeup collection. So this is the shade Muse. It looks like a very pretty, like wearable rosy pink. It just looked a little tiny bit more muted in the tube, but it is a pretty color. Let's see, I'm trying to see if there's a scent to it. There's almost no scent. You can smell like a little tiny bit of the ingredients or whatever, you know, makes it up, but it's a pretty color. I can definitely see myself wearing this. Okay, that looks kind of pretty. I mean, it could be blended a little bit more, but I actually think that's kind of cute. That's the Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. It seems to have a really pretty formula, so I'll definitely try that out. Overall, I feel like this is a pretty good box. I got a couple of things that I already know and love. I got a little bit of like a, you know, mystery, try it out type item. A liquid lipstick that seems like it's gonna be good for me. And Ofra, I'm very fond of their products. So their blushes are very nice. I also have on one of their highlights today, so never mad to get an Ofra product. So I feel like this is a good mixture. Probably most excited for the blushes simply because As I said, I do love Ofra Cosmetics, and I feel like this is a nice mixture. I did get some duplicates, which is a little bit of a bummer, but it's bound to happen when you get as much and have as much as I do. So all in all, I cannot be mad at this. That is my Boxycharm for March. I hope you guys liked the unboxing. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you're not already following me on there. I hope to get, again, back into a more regular rhythm. I'm not stopping by any means, but it's certainly slowed down the process and how often I'm filming. It's very therapeutic for me to continue doing it, but this week it is now Wednesday and this is the only day that I filmed this week. So maybe I'll get to film again on Friday, but just taking it easy, taking it slow, and trying to enjoy very important things to me. So anyway, thank you guys so much. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I will see you guys really soon in my next one. Bye guys.